in the boundless canvas of the cosmos, where dreams intertwine with the ethereal dance of celestial bodies, a delicate ballet unfolds, the dance of space orbits. Each orbit, a silent symphony, a testament to human ingenuity, a delicate balance between gravity and ambition. And in the embrace of microgravity, human hearts beat with the rhythm of the cosmos, a heartbeat echoed by the satellites that tirelessly traverse the cosmic stage. Beyond our earthly boundaries, we explore the cosmos, reaching out to touch the farthest edges of the universe. Every orbit, a step, every celestial body, a milestone in our collective journey. As we break free from the shackles of gravity, we embark on a voyage into the unknown, propelled by the flames of curiosity and the fervor of discovery. Space Orbits, a poetic dance, a testament to our yearning to touch the stars. In the vastness of the cosmos, we find not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the echoes of our deepest emotions. I am not an astronaut, but I am fascinated by all things space. One of my favorite movies is Apollo 13. I also enjoy playing a video game called the Kerbal Space Program from time to time. One concept you have to learn in order to enjoy the many great opportunities in that game is a basic orbit, is getting out of the atmosphere fast enough so that when you fall, you don't fall into the planet, you fall around the planet. To the point that you just start falling up and you go around and around and you never touch grass in the process. This orbital maneuver is something you have to do in order to reach other planets in the game. I think that translates to FPV. In order to do some mind-mending maneuvers, you have to learn how to orbit. I'm Timo FPV, and I'm trying to learn 64 freestyle tricks. So let's go. Okay, I think I got it. Let me come around. So as we're thinking through orbits and how to do them, how to rotate around the target, I think I have a basic understanding of how to do it. I watched this video, go check it out, great video. But basically, the steps are, you have to use both sticks. Identify the target, all right? Find the target, approach the target, engage a turn, all right? I know how to do turns. Engage a turn, and that's step one, really. Find the target, engage the turn. Step two seems to be just keep turning and don't stop. All right, don't stop that turn. I think step three actually sounds like lowering our velocity to enter a suborbital trajectory and escape orbit and crash into the burning atmosphere. That sounds fun. So the plan today is to orbit using those three things. We can do it. I believe we can do it. I'm gonna finish my coffee while my batteries are charging, and then like NASCAR, we're gonna go in circles. All right, let's do it. All right, I think I have this down at least a little bit. I definitely could do one way around easier than I could do the other way around, if that makes sense. I had a hard time with going right instead of going left around. Definitely taking it outside helped, even though I'm a little wary of the snow, because if my quad lands in snow and fries, I'm kind of screwed. So this has been trick number 4. I think this is a good starting point for Orbits and a good stopping point for this video. This is one of 64, but I have more. I want to get better at the Orbits. There's some other tricks that I'm including that I want to do later down the road, but I'm just not quite there yet. That's where we're going to stop today's video. But before we leave, obviously have to draw, put it in the book. It's not official, it's not done until it's in the notebook. So this is trick number 4, 64 Orbits. I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 5 stars. 1 out of 5 stars. This is 4. 1 out of 5 stars. 1, because it does take some control on the sticks, little, you know, those small little adjustments. All right, no beef jerky here. Instead of drawing a drone, because I can't do a drone for every one of them, I'm not that good. But we're gonna draw a spaceship orbiting around the Earth. There we go, can we see that? 4 of 64 Orbits. 1 out of 5 stars. Around and around and around. There we go, trick number 4 completed. 4 of 64, down and done. On to the next. I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.